Your car is about to get smarter than your smartphone, no joke. While automakers push $80,000 EVs with built-in espresso machines, what is the real innovation? It's happening on Amazon. From jump starters that save your butt at 2 a.m. to LED underglow that turns your Civic into a spaceship. These 13 gadgets are game changers. We're skipping the hype, cutting through the fluff, and diving into real products with real utility. So if you're tired of boring drives and overpriced dealership add-ons, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let's turn your ride into a high-tech command center. Let's kick this off with one of those gadgets you don't think you need, until you're stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire and no air pump in sight. Meet the Fantic X8 Apex, the ultimate glove box hero. This little device might look small, but trust me, it punches way above its weight. It's a cordless, portable air compressor that delivers up to 150 psi, which means it can inflate everything from car tires to bike tires, basketballs, and even pool floaties. It has a built-in flashlight for those late-night roadside emergencies, and it even doubles as a power bank to top off your phone if you're in a pinch. There's also a USB-C port, which means it charges fast and works with the same cable your phone likely uses. All right, let's talk about a device that literally turns you into the hero of your own roadside disaster movie, the NOCO Boost Sport GB50. This thing is compact, rugged, and built to start just about anything. We're talking gasoline engines up to 7 liters and diesel up to 4.5. That's not just your daily driver, that's your neighbor's full-size truck, too. The GB50 delivers a massive 1,500 amps of jump-starting power, all from a device smaller than a hardcover book. It also doubles as a portable power bank. There's a USB output for charging phones, tablets, GoPros, anything you need. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your glove box, but instead of a corkscrew, you get peace of mind. And get this, on a full charge, the GB50 can jumpstart up to 20 vehicles. That means not only are you covered, but so are your friends, your family, and that stranger in the parking lot who left their lights on. Instant hero status. All right, if your car looks like a spaghetti bowl of charging cables, this one's for you. Meet the Bayou OnePlus N 4-in-1 wireless charger. It's the ultimate weapon against cable chaos. Your phone docks magnetically, your wireless earbuds rest up top, and your smartwatch wraps securely around the stand, all juicing up simultaneously, all without a single cable mess in sight. And the whole unit swivels 360 degrees, so both driver and passenger can get the perfect view of the screen while navigating or streaming. Now here's the genius part. It delivers 5 watts per device. That's more than enough to keep everything topped off during your commute or road trip. No more hopping between chargers or swapping cables every time something dies. So if you're tired of untangling cords just to see your GPS, the Bayou OnePlus N might be the cleanest, smartest upgrade you can make to your driving setup. Your center console deserves better, and this charger delivers. Have you ever sat in your car, taken a deep breath, and realized it smells like 3-day-old fries and gym socks? Yeah, not ideal. That's where the Moby Air Purifier steps in. And trust me, once it's in your car, you'll never go back. This isn't just some fragrance gimmick that masks odors. It's a filter-free air purifier that uses advanced ionization technology to actually neutralize odors, VOCs, allergens, and airborne gunk. Translation? Cleaner air that doesn't just smell better, it is better. Whether you've got allergies, pets, or just love your drive-through snacks a little too much, this thing is a game changer. It plugs in via USB-C, which means you don't have to deal with weird proprietary cords that vanish the moment you need them. Just plug it in, tap the button, and let it work its magic. You know what's more dangerous than driving through a thunderstorm? Driving while your kids are screaming in the back seat because the tablet fell down again. Enter the Alpicool Car Headrest tablet holder, the ultimate sanity saver for road trips, grocery runs, or honestly, even just pulling out of the driveway. This little guy installs in under 10 seconds. I'm not exaggerating. No tools, no duct tape, and no swearing required. Just clip it onto your headrest poles, slide your tablet in, and boom, you've got an instant backseat movie theater. It fits basically every tablet between 4.7 and 11 inches, so whether you're Team iPad, Samsung Galaxy, or something in between, you're covered. If you've got kids, you'll wonder how you ever lived without this. And if you don't, it's still perfect for adult passengers who want to binge Netflix or get work done on the road. No more balancing a tablet on your knees like it's 2012. Let's talk about something that feels straight out of a Bond movie. Thermal vision in your car. Yep, That's what the Roofinity Insight Drive brings to your dashboard, and once you try it, you'll never drive at night the same way again. This thing is a real-time thermal imaging system that mounts to your dash and gives you a clear view of what's ahead, even through fog, rain, darkness, or blinding headlights. We're talking about a visual feed that highlights people, animals, and cars by heat signature. That deer standing in the road 300 feet away? It glows like a neon sign on this screen. And it's not just a gimmick. It genuinely makes driving safer. In our testing, this thing picked up pedestrians and animals long before our headlights did. If you've ever driven through rural areas at night, this is a game changer. No more squinting into the darkness or guessing what's beyond your headlights. Let's be real, no one plans for their car to turn into a snack graveyard. But between fries falling in the seat cracks, pet hair, and mystery dust that shows up out of nowhere, your car's interior can go from clean to chaos fast. That's where the Star Unit handheld vacuum cleaner earns its stripes. This thing is the ultimate on-the-go cleanup tool. It's cordless, lightweight, and fits right in your glove box or center console. We're talking less than 2 pounds, which means anyone can use it without feeling like they're lifting gym equipment. It runs on a USB-C rechargeable battery, which is a huge plus. You don't need special adapters or car-only chargers. Just plug it in like your phone. It's got multiple attachments too, including a crevice tool that gets between those seat edges and a brush for those tricky textured surfaces. Ever feel like your car's personality doesn't quite match your vibe? The ride's good, but it's missing that wow factor? Enter the GOI Underglow Car Lights, because sometimes you just want your car to look as cool as it drives. These lights are RGB LED strips designed specifically for the underside of your car. Translation? Your ride can glow in 16 million colors, all controllable from your smartphone. Whether you're cruising through the city or parked at a car meet, this gadget turns heads like no boring stock trim ever could. But here's the kicker. It's not just color. These lights can sync to your music. Yep, bass drops, chorus lines, even that guilty pleasure playlist. The lights react in real time. Think of it as your personal mobile nightclub minus the cover charge. If you're bored of blending in and want your car to reflect your personality, whether that's fire red, icy blue, or disco rainbow, the GOI Underglow lights are the upgrade your ride's been waiting for. All right, let's talk road trip essentials. You've got your playlist, your snacks, and your crew. But what happens when the sodas get warm, or you want to store actual food without it turning into a biology experiment? That's where the Alpicool C15 portable car freezer comes in. A 16-quart game changer that ditches the ice and delivers real refrigeration power right from your car. This thing isn't your average cooler. We're talking about a true compressor-style fridge, which means it can drop temperatures down to 4 degrees. Yup, it freezes. No ice packs, no watery mess, just cold storage anytime, anywhere. It plugs into your car's 12V outlet, and thanks to its low power consumption, it won't leave you with a dead battery. The built-in battery protection modes even shut it off if your car battery dips too low. Pretty smart for a gadget that lives in your trunk. Let's be real. Dashboard mounts block your vents. Windshield mounts scream, "Pull me over, officer," and suction cups don't even get me started. That's why the cup holder phone mount is an unsung hero in the world of car gadgets. This thing drops right into your cup holder. No adhesive, no suction, no nonsense. And thanks to its adjustable base, it locks in tight whether you drive a compact sedan or a beastly pickup. It expands, grips, and holds steady even on bumpy roads or during sharp turns. The telescopic arm and 360-degree swivel head let you position your phone exactly where you want it. Eye level, angled toward the passenger, or tucked low for minimal distraction. Perfect for hands-free navigation, streaming music, or even taking that emergency Zoom call while parked. If you're tired of fumbling, squinting, or having your phone fall under the seat every time you brake, the cup holder phone mount is the sleek, stable, and downright smarter solution your car's been missing. Let's face it, fumbling with clunky clips or rubber grips in 2025 feels ancient. If you've got an iPhone with MagSafe, this is the car mount you didn't know you were missing. The team core for MagSafe Car Mount doesn't just hold your phone, it locks it in place with a satisfying snap. Thanks to the power of MagSafe, there are no clamps, no pushing, and no adjusting. Just one swift magnetic connection every time. But here's what really makes it special: adjustable aluminum arms. These let you position your phone on your dash, console, or steering column exactly how you like it. It's precision placement with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that doesn't scream cheap gadget. And it's not just for iPhones. Android users, you're not left out. TeamCore includes universal magnetic rings that give non-MagSafe phones the same snap-on experience. So yes, this mount plays nice with everybody: iPhone, Galaxy, Pixel, even that budget burner phone you keep as a backup. Nobody ever plans to crash, flip, or get trapped in a flood. But if it happens, seconds matter. That's where the Sinson Car Safety Hammer steps in. This isn't just some bulky tool tossed in your trunk and forgotten. It's pocket-sized, keychain-ready, and built with life-saving engineering. The core is forged from tungsten steel, which is ridiculously strong enough to shatter car windows underwater or upside down with one firm push. And you don't need to be strong or steady. It's spring-loaded, so all you have to do is press. Even if your hands are shaking, the hammer gets the job done. But there's more. The built-in seatbelt cutter slices through straps in a flash. No struggling, no reaching for your phone to call 911 while you're tangled up. Just one motion and you're free. Okay, let's talk real comfort on the road. Whether you're camping, overlanding, or just on a long-haul adventure, nothing beats a hot shower in the middle of nowhere. And that's exactly what the Weekender tank delivers. This isn't your average water jug. The Weekender is a pressurized 8-gallon portable shower system that mounts right on your vehicle's roof rack. That's 50 inches of high-capacity water storage, ready to go wherever you do. Despite its large capacity, it weighs just 26 pounds when empty, and it's rugged enough to survive bumpy trails, sun exposure, and freezing nights. It's basically built for off-grid living, and after a few uses, it literally pays for itself, especially if you've ever spent money on campground facilities, gas station bathrooms, or overpriced jugs of water for rinsing. And there you have it, 13 genius Amazon gadgets that turn your car into a smart, safe, and fun command center on wheels. Whether you're upgrading your daily commute or prepping for your next road trip, these gadgets prove you don't need to spend Tesla money to drive like you're in the future. If you found a gadget you need to try, check the links down in the description. We've got them all ready for you. Hit that subscribe button for more clever finds like this, and let us know in the comments which one you're adding to your car next. Until next time, drive smarter, not harder.